Hi everyone and welcome back. If you have watched any of my previous videos, you've probably noticed that I don't wear almost any makeup, and the reason for that is, well, I don't like too much makeup, first of all, and second of all, I don't even know how to apply it. So I thought it's going to be a very interesting video to try and follow a tutorial and see like how it ends up. It might look nice, probably not. And for the task I have prepared the conspiracy palette. And no, I didn't buy it. My sister actually bought it for herself because, unlike me, she does know how to do her makeup, and I'll link her channel down below if you want to check her out. And yeah, I'll be using the conspiracy palette. I don't know, it just inspired me to do something about it because, I don't know, look at those shades. Like, I'll show you in a bit how pigmented they are. I'll show you some of them. So that's not a fact, that's the pigment. Illuminati, the conspiracy. I'll show you what's the tea. I really like the what's the tea one. Yeah, so you see they're very pigmented, and without further ado, let's get into it and see what monster you're gonna be looking at the end. First step, tying my hair. Yeah, I always tie my hair whenever I do something, whatever that is. Okay, so first things first, I like using Nivea. I just like moisturizing it, so. Yep, always moisturize the neck as well, as you want it to look nice and young, even when you're older. As you can guess, a woman's age by her neck, well, by her hands as well, so yeah. Moisturize and drink a lot of water. When I was younger and I had like a way longer hair, it was reaching up until my ass somewhere, and everybody was saying like how much I look like Ariana Grande. I didn't see that much, but we have some similar features face-wise, and that's why I've decided to follow a tutorial of Ariana Grande's makeup, as I want something that's gonna work with my face, my eye shape and everything else. So without further ado, let's go into it. Okay, let's apply the foundation. I rarely use foundation, but well, I mostly use it when I'm filming, and that's not even always. Like, I tend to only put like a corrector under the eyes because I have like very big dark circles, especially when I don't sleep for a couple of days. So yeah, the foundation that I'm using is Inglo. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. So we're gonna pop that on and let's see what happens. Foundation is done, and next step is, okay, she's putting concealer on. I really like using this one. Is Maybelline's concealer, and yeah, that's pretty much the one I use all the freaking time. Okay, I'll say it again, that video is not a tutorial, that's a kind of a challenge for myself, and it might just end up having really funny results at the end, or really amazing ones, and you might follow it as a tutorial. So let's wait and see till the end. And sometimes I tend to go with the second concealer on top of that, and I usually use the Fenty Beauty. Done. Next step is the Hoola contour stick. Ta-da! And my makeup is ready! not. Now she puts some dots on her nose. I guess it's a concealer, so I'll put dots on my nose as well. Does everybody do that all the time? Like every single day? Okay, she makes some patterns on her cheeks as well. Which means I shall make some patterns on my cheeks. Oh, I think she put some on the chin as well. Seems legit. Okay, and now we're blending. Okay, I think she's putting powder on, so I'm gonna use, I don't have a powder, so I'm using my sister's, which is something called Mua Makeup Academy. Yeah, I actually really have no idea about makeup, so I'm just gonna... Okay, I think now she's putting a highlight on. I hope it's highlighter, because I'm going to put it. So my ultimate favorite highlighter is, of course, Fenty Beauty. Yeah, so that's my favorite one. I always put it on. Like, even if I have a bare face, I always put it on. And I kind of like mixing both of them together. So I'm not gonna follow that part of the tutorial. I'm just gonna do what I do. So I like to put a lot of highlight. Okay, we've done the highlight, aren't we? Oh, I forgot she has eyebrows. Maybe I should do some eyebrows before that. Too bad, because I don't know how to do them. Let's see if my sister has something in there for me. Okay, I couldn't find anything that my sister uses, so I'll pretty much improvise. And I have that eyebrow pencil from MAC that I stopped using a while ago because I don't know how to use it. So let's improvise. Right, now she's starting with the eyes, so let's open it up and see what we can put on. Tanacon, or maybe the pigment. Should we do pink or beige or Trisha? Now I'm gonna go with the pigment, so that's this one. Okay, so she puts it on. Okay, the top of her eyelid. By the way, I'll have to go out after I do that, so I better not fuck it up. Okay, she goes over the eyelid with something as well. Okay, I want something sparkly on the eyelid, so I'll go with the Conspiracy, so this one here. And that's gonna be very pigmented, so good luck to me. Okay, that doesn't look anything like what she's doing. Okay, she's putting something under her eyelids, which I think is white. So there's like the branch thingy over here, which I'll put under my... That's the ultimate best that I can do. Like, my eyeliner today is not gonna get any better than that. So, next step. So she's putting fake eyelashes on, and that's something that I would avoid by all means, because it feels like you have a spider on your eyelid that's like trying to crawl on your face, and it's a really nasty feeling. I have no idea how girls do it, so I shall not. And instead I'll just pop some mascara. And we're ready! Okay, so that is it, you guys. That's the end product. I'm not sure if I'm going to go out like that. I feel like, I don't know, it's too much makeup for me, and it's not even evening, it's during the day, and I'm going to B&Q to pick up furniture for my home, so do I want to go like that? Maybe I would, because I don't have much time. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was entertaining for you, and if you did like it, or even if you didn't, I would be very pleased if you like and subscribe to my channel. Bye!